Both the Shark Vertex Ultralight DuoClean power fins and the Shark Ultralight vacuums are versatile and can be used in different cleaning modes to clean everything from your bare floors and carpets to your staircase and countertops. To clean in upright mode, turn the vacuum on and select your desired floor type. Note that for the Shark Ultralight vacuum, there is no LED UI, just a power button and a slider switch to change floor settings. With a foot on the floor nozzle, tilt the handheld vacuum back to engage. You can easily switch between bare floor and carpet mode as desired. To clean with the hand vac, press the power button and you're ready to go. There is only one setting in this mode. You can also use these vacuums to clean areas of your home other than floors, including hard to reach areas like your ceiling or your baseboard. To do so, simply press down on the foot pedal on the nozzle and pull the wand up with the hand vac attached. Now with a precision tip, you can aim for those stubborn cobwebs, dusty fans, or get into those hard to reach areas behind your furniture. To activate the hand vac only, press the wand release latch at the top of the wand. You can use the handheld vacuum to clean your couch, tabletop, and even the inside of your car. With the precision tip, this serves as a built-in accessory for quick and easy cleaning. These vacuums also have a precision tip for precise pickup on counter surfaces, windowsills, or you can clean your couch with different accessories. I like to use the self-cleaning pet power brush on the couch to get a deep cleaning. Lastly, this is a cool trick for stair cleaning. Take the handheld vac and insert it into the nozzle. Now you have a mini vacuum to target narrow spaces and clean all the stairs in your house without lugging around a heavy vacuum. How cool is that? If you're looking for additional tips and tricks, visit us at sharkclean.com.